Smiley back with another motherfucking video.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Hey, what up, gang, gang, gang?
Your dad, where's your mom? Where is your family?
Gang. Let me start. Cut.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Guys, we're back. We got another month video. And guess what, guys? I'm putting the homies on, bro. Let me put y'all on to some good, man. Something good. Let's just say, Chris Sells, your cough is contagious. just.
Maybe like me. You guys, I don't know.
So if y'all asking why my voice sound like this, blame Chris Sells. Tell Chris you're contagious, bro. Let me stop. But nah, my buddy, my friend, Tompito Benito, aka Tampon. I have rights to call him that, and so does, my other, BFFs. We call him Tampon, but for you guys call him Ozymandias, Ozzy the Man. This. Ozymandias, that spells, yeah, tampon. Buddy, Tampon, Tompito Benito, oh my guy, you finally put some out, man. FYI, guys, I've already heard this dude whole, album and shit. His whole EP, mixtape, whatever you want to call it. He's so precise and just, yeah, whatever he wants to call it. I've already heard all this, man. Like, I'm just like, dude, go for it. Dude, put it out there. My guy, come on, like, come on, bro. Like, damn, you see me hustling on YT? Come on, drop that, man. Of course you got, I'm going, support. You the fam. You know what I'm saying? You my guy. We've known each other since what? 7th grade, my dude. We've been sticking like this, bro. Like this, G. We like this. The picture though. His little ass.
Ozzy, your beat will get body. Yeah. I ball like Illuminati. Just look me up, it ain't hard to find me. All my niggas stay moving grimy. Tryna start a movement, you think it's a hobby. Not a gang, we a fucking posse. Got your whole city jumping at the party. On a plane, bout to meet with Cardi. You niggas are sheep, you a carbon copy. Counting down, time to get it started. Spilling champagne on the Gucci carpet. Wearing the shit you can't get at markets. Bitch, you be stealing from Neiman Marcus. We not the same, baby, we not the same. Work hard to be in an iconic level. I sit with legends, you sit with the lames. Remember that next time you speak on my name. Niggas sound dumb, say I don't deserve fame. Don't hate the player, bitch, hate on the game. I get a beat and then I go insane. Killing that shit, I feel so inhumane. Now they afraid, I be irate. You niggas fade, call you charade. I'm blowing up like a grenade. VOF gang, we getting paid. I ball like Illuminati. Just look me up, it ain't hard to find me. All my niggas stay moving grimy. Trying to start a movement, you think it's a hobby. Not a gang, we a fucking posse. Got your whole city jumping at the party. On the plane, about to meet with Cardi. You niggas are sheep, you a carbon copy. Said you be rich, but your style of movement suggesting that this is as far as it gets. Got steak with my eggs, some waffles and fruit on my plate. You niggas will settle for grits. I'll take the caviar, no, I won't eat that shit, nigga. It's good to know I got the bill. You hoes got no hope. Staying with niggas who won't ever tell you how they really feel. I'm fire, I'm blazing. Wordplay on my tongue, feeling Cajun. Hands move like my daddy was Asian. I'm a beast who can never be caged in. Got the ass moving like she Jamaican, Haitian, maybe she Bayesian. All I know is that I got a craving. Sweet tooth, baby, I gotta taste it. Lick the bowl cause I'm eyeball like Illuminati. Just look me up, it ain't hard to find me. All my niggas stay moving grimy. Trying to start a movement, you think it's a hobby. Not a gang, we a fucking posse. Got your whole city jumping at the party. On the plane, about to meet with Cardi. You niggas are sheep, you a carbon copy.
Me, still having that good ass beard. I still feel like, Thomas, and you know this shit. I still feel like it's missing something. You know me. Dude, finally, doing what he wanted to do, what he loves to do. Like, he loves to do this shit, and I don't blame you, man. Do that, man. Just know you need to hop on Candy Shop, G, and stop playing games. Like, bruh, stop playing, yo. Like, stop playing. Hitmaker over here, but Nah, it's not, man. That's my boy. Go check him out. Go stream his music on all platforms, you know. I will link his information, you know, probably on the screen or, like, in the description box below. But check it out, man. He is a, you know, a newer artist, a better artist. You know, he not somebody who constantly uses auto-tune to, like, make them sound better. Like, we got this shit, yo. We got the dream team coming back. Y'all better hop on the bandwagon. We about to be, you know, epic, some great. And, you know, I just can't wait, man. Can't wait. But, yeah, until next time, my guys.
Just look me up, it ain't hard to find me. All my niggas stay moving grimy, trying to start a movement, you think it's a hobby. Not a gang, we a fucking posse, got your whole city jumping at the party. On a plane, about to meet with Cardi. You niggas are sheep, you a carbon copy. Counting down, time to get it started. Spilling champagne.